Well, goddamn, what That was the first official time that we've put a commercial in this bitch like that.
Yes.
And it was our shit. I'm Shaggy Toot Up. This is a Shaggy show. Manny was crinkling.
Chilling in Discord.
Yes.
And tripping on that commercial, bro. That was pretty cool, man.
Delicious coffee.
Yes. Delicious dank coffee.
Ash, you're a coffee dude.
That's why I'm so short.
It stunted your growth.
Started drinking in 2nd grade.
Nice.
Yeah.
Would you like to try some? Would you try some?
Well, I did have some this is my cheat day. This is when I consume caffeine when I come over here.
Ah.
So, the answer would be yes.
Well, boy, are you in luck.
What kind of coffee you got?
Oh, I got some of that fucking dank carnival coffee.
Oh, shit.
Oh, this is the sugar shaggy weed.
Oh, okay.
This is that sugar shaggy.
Hell yeah.
Nice.
I just got this in the mail. Man, shout out Big Dank Sticky.
Hell yeah.
Oh, that's legit coffee?
Yes.
Oh,
coffee,
shit.
like for you to
Oh, well,
drink.
fuck
But
yeah.
it's
Let me
dank
get some of that.
Dank coffee.
Damn, that dank? Dank coffee. You weren't lying.
Well, gosh, dank it.
Oh, and it's got THCA in it?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
That's the best part about the coffee.
Let me tell you, I'm sold.
Just when you thought the caffeine was the hook.
Yeah.
And I guess
Shoot you in the
No,
face
it's
with a
got
bazooka.
pot in it.
Fuck yeah. Here, panic attack. Here we come.
Exactly.
Sweet.
Or maybe it'll mellow you out. Who knows?
Hopefully. Yeah, just take a nap.
Matthew Bell in the house.
Hey.
Must clown love. Random
shoot you in
question
the
for
face with a
Ash.
bazooka.
What's your favorite ICP song and why? Oh, people are getting to know you, Ash. Ash he plays drums on a lot of Shangri-La.
I played drums for Zug Island. I played all the live drums on Shangri-La. I was a backup clown for you dudes, so I've heard a lot of it.
A lot of backup vocals.
A bunch of vocals. You guys.
A lot of backup vocals.
I sang the "We're Not Sorry If We Tricked You" part. That's
did.
That's my big claim to fame.
Yeah, it is.
You guys are the first ones that.
Dog, nobody... See, right here, Ash son. We're not sorry if we tricked
You could be.
you.
Yeah, you guys could be mad at me.
Uh-huh.
That was the. You guys.
And he wasn't sorry if you were tricked. He really wasn't.
You guys are the first ones that got me. Like in the vocal booth, even.
Yeah.
So is
Or whatever.
Ash, is that the question?
And it was a shit because your voice is able to hit those highs that we didn't have.
It's because I got little baby nuts.
Yeah,
You're all around small guy. You
And-
never hit puberty.
Hey guys.
So is that your favorite?
No, I like. I'm gonna have to think of the live show. I liked doing Headless Boogie because it was
Live?
super funky. Yeah. And
Because it was super funky.
and you get to dance all sweet. I like the unveiling. That's really cool.
Yeah, that is.
Yeah.
It is.
That's a tough one.
That's a good question.
Well, you can't have one favorite.
That's what I said. You know,
Yeah.
I get somebody's like, "Who's your favorite rapper? What's your top 10
I can
favorite
never
rappers?"
answer
I was like,
those
"I don't
questions.
fucking know, man. I don't know. Who's your top 10 favorite tag teams?"
There's somebody out there.
I'm like,
calling-
I don't have. There's more than 10 that I like the same amount. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Well, since I didn't call out something on like basement cuts or fucking dog beats, like there's a kid out there like fucking Juff.
BMF Willie A. Man, he's like, yeah, I know. Problem is, man, he knows nothing.
Yeah, I mean,
But he started from his knowledge was zero, and he's working his way up.
I had zero knowledge.
Same with him.
When I first started coming
it's
around.
fucking great, dog.
Yeah.
I love it because they're so clueless.
Yeah, I wasn't all like tuned in when I first started hanging out.
He
with you
never
guys.
even heard. Like I was just his dad's friend. He had no clue
Right.
who ICP was.
This is a
the hell's
perfectly-
involved. He was like, he does what? Wait, who is this now?
Right.
No clue about none of it.
For sure.
Never even heard of ICP.
I'm
This
just
fucking guy.
old Justin. I just my favorite group is that Dark Riders.
Insane Lotus.
Insane Lotus, hell yeah, dude.
Even think you're famous.
No, he didn't know. Why would he? He didn't know ICP was. Why would he have an inkling that I was famous at all?
Just let it
I was
be.
just some asshole that come through.
Just let it be known.
It's like the white dude that was tattooed that I just went to his house for 4th of
That was
July.
the white dude with tattoos. Not like I was like there was a bunch of black dudes hanging out or something. I was the white dude.
I won't tell you how long I've been down.
Went to.
Yo, Shags, fuck, marry, kill. Oh, this one's easy.
Here we go.
Rihanna, Beyonce, Scary Spice. Off rip, marry Scary Spice. I had a crush on her back in the day when the Spice Girls were big. Beyonce, I'd bang. Rihanna, I'd kill. Simple.
Really?
Yeah. Rihanna's forehead looks like a fucking rhinoceros without the horn on it.
Damn.
She got a Rocky Dennis boy situation going on.
I don't know.
She ain't got the chin, but she got the forehead.
Well, she can always sing.
Okay, that's cool. You know what I'm saying? So can Beyonce.
Beyonce, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And Scary Spice. They all can sing.
I don't know. Scary can sing.
Want.
Yeah, see, that's what I'm saying.
Sing better than you.
No, she can't.
Let's hear you sing that line.
Blow.
Let's hear you sing that. Let's hear you sing. If you really want to be my lover, you got to get with my friends. Let's hear you sing 2 lines from it.
I don't know the lyrics.
You know 2 lyrics from that song.
You know the ones you just.
Come on, nobody look at Manny so he doesn't get embarrassed. Go ahead.
If you want to be my lover,
Go ahead.
you got to get with my friends. I don't remember.
Make sweet love forever.
Make sweet love forever.
You know it. Blow it up big.
I can't.
Cause what never ends?
Because love never ends.
Cause friendship never ends.
Okay, see, yeah.
Hit it hard.
I can't.
How do y'all know that part?
I don't.
He does.
It's
He's
been a long
perpetrating.
time.
He's got to sing like
He got embarrassed.
Yeah, I did.
I
I'm
can
blushing
relate.
already. I'm red. Like
Think of the lines to that song though. If you want to be my lover,
Yes.
you got to get with my friends.
That's right.
Is that the real
Make
line
sweet
though?
love forever, friendship never ends. So I get to bang your friends? Or that's just part of the rule. I have to?
Yeah.
See, I thought that was.
If you want to be her
I
lover.
didn't think that was the actual lyric. I thought that's just so it's like some people.
No.
No,
Shit.
that's the actual lyric, bro.
Open relationships.
Yeah. Yeah, no. She get
Oh,
it.
it's like Michael Jackson.
Oh man. See, that's not a very.
something to her where she just didn't. She just always looked off to me. Like she almost had a hair lip or something. I don't know.
Who is that?
It's Rihanna.
I can't. Okay, I can.
All right.
The bottom right. Oh
That's
my
Giraffe
God.
Woman.
Damn.
Put those
see?
little antlers on her forehead. That's a fucking giraffe.
Yeah, man,
See
okay.
that
See,
neck
I
boy?
changed my mind then because I had it the other way around. I would kill the Spice chick. I would bang Beyonce because she.
You would have married that forehead.
I thought I would. But see,
just
I'm thinking
just
about
the 5 head.
I'm thinking about the Rihanna before she got beat up and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying?
You talking about like that Tina? I'm talking about Rihanna right now.
That
What are you
didn't give
talking
her a
about
bigger
Rihanna right
forehead.
now? Huh?
They didn't give her a bigger forehead.
Maybe it did. She got fucking
Yeah,
lumped up on her head too
lumped
many
up, bro.
times. Too many dudes
So-
beat her ass.
Yeah, well, Chris.
All right, what you doing?
So, what about you, Ash?
I'm marrying the Spice Girl. I'm gonna take one for the team and fuck Rihanna, and I gotta kill Beyonce.
Got to end the Illuminati.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm just not into her whole vibe,
She was
dude. She
part of the
seems like
Lion
she'd be
King.
mad at you a lot.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
dog,
If you married her.
I guarantee you couldn't fuck her right. I don't think she has feelings in her head.
Without her,
I don't think she.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
I don't
like-
think she has feelings anywhere.
Yeah, I don't think like if you hit, she'd just be like doing her nails, like. Done. Hey.
Put a ring on it. Put a ring on it.
Would you get me some lemon water?
She just seems really mean. Wait, hang on. Are we
Hey,
talking
Don.
Beyonce pre?
Wait, here you go. Did you come yet?
Oh God.
Would you please hurry up and just come?
So is it pre Jay Z or post Jay Z? Like
Well, pre Jay Z is
right
like
now.
14.
Yeah.
Oh, then.
So there's that.
Now.
So wait.
There's that. What does it say? Jay Z had separately claimed in past interviews they met in 1997 when she was 16.
Oh,
That's when he
shit.
started hollering and grooming her when she was 16.
Oh,
he
shit.
started hollering at her fucking mom, all that shit.
Ugh.
Started coming around him a lot.
Yuck.
Yes,
know.
straight the fuck up.
He had that-
Let me tell you something. If I met a girl that was 16, singer or not,
Yeah.
I'd be like, hello. I would limit my time and keep it nothing but professional.
Yeah.
She's a 16-year-old girl. I have no business talking to her.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Besides professionally. And that's to her adult parents, not even to her.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I ain't got time to fucking hang out with no 16-year-old, especially girl.
How is that okay with the Illuminati though? 'Cause
They don't give a fuck.
But they eat baby.
Because they drink baby spinal fluid and they trade them like baseball
Okay,
cards.
so yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that means nothing to them.
Yeah,
Nothing means nothing.
So I
to
guess
them.
it makes sense that her energy's way off then.
Yeah.
Well, she's a
considering
part of that. She's just a soulless corpse now with no feeling in her netting.
Oh, man.
No netting feeling.
Yeah, it must be-
wow.
No, for Doug. If I had to bet everything I've ever had make and will make in my life, I would bet that she has no feeling in her netting.
It's just a fleshlight.
It's shit. Yeah, it's just like banging a fleshlight.
I mean, she
That
had two
talks shit
kids.
to you while
For
you're
her.
banging it.
Yeah.
I know what I'm
if they're
saying?
C-sections though.
What?
She had 2 kids, Ivy and what's the other one?
Man, they probably went in there when they were eggs and gently took them out and put them in some kind of fucking
Turkey
incubator.
baster, just-
You know what I'm saying? Come on, dog. She didn't carry them to term. Get the fuck
I mean,
outta
she
here.
had shows.
There are all
She had
kinds of
tours to
weird
go
shit.
on.
Yeah, right. She had money to be made, dog. What are you, crazy?
Put 'em in.
You got
That was a
time
good
for
one,
kids?
man. Was it who is that? Rob what?
Rob Too Dope.
Yeah,
That's
Rob
always.
Too Dope. That was a good one, bro.
Yo, what up, Shaggy? You probably got asked a lot, but how did you come up with your paint design? I mean, it just kind of slowly morphed into this over the years.
How long did it take before it morphed into that, you think?
Are you being serious?
I'm dead serious.
Oh, jeez. I
Like-
thought you were asking
no, like how-
Pop magazine shit.
Yeah, I don't know.
Hey, give me those back. Oh.
Yeah.
I don't know.
You just have you have just prototypes. let me look at
I don't know. Like, I honestly,
version 2.8.
I honestly don't know what made it stop on this.
Right.
I think it's just because, like, before Carnival of Carnage, I think that even Carnival of Carnage is still a little bit different. Ringmaster is a tiny bit different. I guess maybe it's still gonna change more in the fucking future.
And when you land on it, it's not like you're taking note at that time. Like this
Right,
is gonna be
exactly.
it forever. Right.
because it looks different in Jekyll Brothers. It's all squared off and shit.
Right.
That looks mad different. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it's the same premises, but it's different. You know?
I like it when you're on this show when you're gradually making it.
Oh, when it was tiny.
Yeah, that's fucking.
I still don't know what you're talking about. Yeah, see Carnival Carnage, and look, I got the mouth like the Carnival Carnage fucking Joker's card. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So yeah, I used to paint both of our all three of our faces, and like I just do something different every time when we took photos. Look at John King's has eyebrows are like mine now.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? It's just like we just kept fucking with shit until eventually we just started doing the same one over and over and over. I don't know why I landed on that shit. I just slowly morphed into it.
Yeah.
All right. Right quick. We don't even need to shout out fucking Big Dank Sticky.
Hell yeah. Hell
We
yeah.
no longer need to picture Pac rolling. We're still gonna picture him rolling, but now we can picture rolling after we see him rolling in the 500 and
Whoa.
bam, just rolled in the 500 right in the view.
Damn.
Look at that. Ha, picture him rolling, fellas.
Picture me rolling.
And he's gonna roll his ass right out.
Okay, so I pictured him rolling
Oh, that's right.
with you and Joe
Oh, wow.
rolling. You guys were rolling because he was driving.
Yeah.
You guys were rolling blunts
Uh-huh.
with this weed right here.
You're just making this up as you go now.
No,
He's
seriously.
making it up as we go.
I seriously-
With this weed.
This weed.
Um,
I didn't know what flavor it
that
was.
lamp.
Playing the drums.
I didn't know what flavor it was.
Well, check in the chat.
I didn't know what flavor it was, but Pac was like, "That's some good weed."
All right.
Pac was like, "That was a good weed. Roll another blunt, bro."
Okay. Still
Yes.
think you're making it up as you go.
No, I'm
That's
telling
fine.
you. You
I
were
had
puffing.
picture Pac rolling.
Yeah, but I'm picturing him like rolling at a rave on some ecstasy, and he's got
Sweet.
and he's got them light up the fingers.
Lasers?
Yeah, he's gloving or whatever they call it.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Is it crinkling while he's gloving?
Well, that's assumed.
Oh, okay.
Right. Well, if you're not getting out the dance floor for the night, you're gonna
Yeah,
have to
he's just rolling balls at a rave.
Nice. Justin.
Don't ask me. I forgot mine after Manny's.
Oh.
Oh,
I'm not gonna front. I pictured him. I just pictured that toy rolling in here and chilling. I'm so excited to have it.
Just
And
rolling
I
down
just
the road.
pictured this.
That
I
is
pictured
fresh.
Pac rolling on the 500. I pictured that exact thing. Not actual Pac, not an actual 500. This. I pictured that and I shut my eyes. I couldn't get it out of my head.
I mean, he was.
that's fresh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Got a flavor box from Big Dank Sticky as well. Not quite a P.O. box reveal, but it's a reveal nonetheless. So we do have this. So let's see what's in this box of flavor. This was in a different package, but this was also to me as well.
Whoa.
So
Oh, that's pretty cool.
I don't know. Is this water bone?
It appears to be, yes.
So he goes.
Yep.
Hold on. I do a pretty good impression of a water bone. You want to hear it? All right, check it out. Here goes my impression of a water bone. My impression of a water bone.
That's not bad. Percolate it does.
Hell yeah, that sounds like some rocks.
Next time I'm making a cartoon and there's like
You need a water bong?
there's a water bong smoking scene, rather than recording an actual water bong, I'm gonna hire you.
Hell yeah.
Nice.
Hell yeah.
Okay, I'm not
Ash
sure what
spraying
this
ash.
is.
Hell yeah. Ashes, ashes, dude.
I see Bruce Lee, and I see some Michael Jackson stuff. So this looks like some kind of pop culture flavor pack.
Boom.
We got some Bruce Lee drink koozies.
Nice.
All right. Bruce Lee drink koozies. Okay. Looks like maybe one for each over here, huh?
Nice.
All right. Next pool party.
Just keep all 4. When Manny does leg day, it's
Oh,
nothing
and a
but
Michael
calves.
Jackson kit. This is a funny party hat, actually, it says. Funny party hat. Sold a set. So I'm doing the rest of this show in this funny party hat.
Nice.
I bet you never guess what funny party hat character this is. Hold on. Can you guess? Hold on. Maybe this will help if I do it like this. Does that help you?
Oh shit.
Wait. In case you didn't know. Okay, hold on. This part you can't see until it's done. Hold on. Let's see if you can tell now. This is the most insanely cheap thing I've ever seen in my life. How about now?
Oh shit.
Oh,
Shit. He has risen.
Yes, reincarnated, baby.
Is that Michael Jackson, the king of pop? Hoo hoo, hee hee.
Oh, that hurt.
Ooh, he just chopped himself.
I heard something.
I think my fingers are about to start bleeding. Oh, I ain't trying to do that again. Do I look like Michael Jackson or what?
Yeah.
Well, Michael Jackson wouldn't cry if he hit his hand.
I look more like the fucking bad guy from Who Framed Roger Rabbit, Michael Jackson.
When I killed your brother, he looked just like this.
Oh, boy.
Shit.
I don't look nothing like Michael Jackson.
Dude, you look like a slippery.
Now I do.
There you go.
Just needed this. What? Watch. Tell me if I do like
Oh,
this.
right now you look like a slippery dick.
Hold
Now,
on. Watch.
There you go.
Well,
That was it.
Who's
That was
bad?
it.
tell me that's not Michael, dog.
It was.
Bucharest.
I was
Fuck out my
fooled,
face,
man.
dog. You guys were supposed to pop for a half hour.
I did.
Dog, I can see my hand through this. It's look. It's made out of pantyhose.
I just thought,
But
man.
it's mad. It's like,
Oh, that's when Michael's feeling sexy.
oh, that's a masturbation glove.
all fucking-
Ripped for his pleasure?
Oh, shit.
Oh, man, no way.
That's his negligee glove.
That's my new go-to noise. What the fuck? All right. Johnny Heartbreaker, did you ever get recognized in public from people hearing your voice? I'd walk right by you, but one word, and I would know it was you. Yeah, I think so. Maybe. I don't know. I don't remember.
It
Perhaps.
happened.
I do. Yeah, it does.
I
Yeah.
remember. I don't know if it was you or Joe, but it was a long time when I first started hanging out with you dudes.
Yeah.
And we were at a record store, and it was like, oh yeah, these dudes are pretty famous. Because some kid like walks over to Joe, and he's like, I heard your voice from across the store. And then I walked,
And it sounded like an angel.
and then I followed it, and then I saw your tattoos, and I knew it was. I remember it was it was like when I first met you guys or whatever. Like, oh, okay,
Yeah. Joe really can't go nowhere.
right.
You know what I mean?
But you can because you got your sweet Michael Jackson. You get mistaken for Michael Jackson.
I know, that's the thing. Like all these like fucking like it just mobs come out from out the house.
Right.
Like out the streets, you know what I'm saying?
Everyone
like,
starts crying.
They try like rocking my car.
Yeah.
Like, Michael, I love you, Michael.
Right.
And I'm like, stop.
So some dudes try to like dumb it down and be inconspicuous by just wearing like disguises or regular clothes.
Yeah.
You go the other way.
Yeah, you're right. Sometimes
Naturally.
I dress like Hulk Hogan.
Exactly. You don't know if it's really him or not.
Right.
Oh, shit.
Oh,
What's up?
did you see the footage of those fucking idiot cops shot each other in the parking garage?
I did.
I didn't see it, but I saw
You
it.
fucking morons.
Yeah.
You gotta play it. Oh my god.
Dumbass.
Yeah, it's all super bad style.
I seen the thumbnail of it that they were, and then they
These
end up shooting each
fucking
other.
morons.
Stupid asses playing with guns.
Yeah, and they're cops.
Yeah. And they
Playing
were
with
in
guns.
uniform.
Getting
Yeah, at the police station.
too comfortable. Too comfortable.
In the police parking garage.
Fearless levity, quickly taking a turn. Newly released dash cam video.
That guy-
shows evening shift change
that
in
guy just
September,
hanging out, he
when
better start laughing at his
one
ass.
pulls
Look
his
at him. Huh.
department-issued firearm in a quick draw, appearing to aim it at the driver. Then
Look at the guy on the left.
bang,
I'll
shoot you in the
gun
face with a
smoke
bazooka.
cracks glass. The
What
driver
is getting
accidentally
to
fires through the
Italian
windshield,
Italian.
wounding a colleague.
Jesus.
Officer down,
What
but
that
far
dude was
from the
smiling
line.
and laughing.
You know who was
Shouldn't we
so
go for
motherfucking
officers
happy in that
engaged
situation,
and out of policy.
the guy that's not in trouble, I was just sitting there like
Right.
watching him do it.
He was just doing that shit like 30 seconds prior, though. He's
But
like,
he didn't get caught.
oh,
Says
thank
the
God. It's
officer
not
was
on tape.
seriously
Show me
injured
the evidence.
but recovered, and that disciplinary measures.
Look at all these other girls. Oh, poor
Force
guy.
training
He's a
and/or
fucking
failure to adhere
moron.
to safety rules and standards of professional conduct will not be tolerated.
Yeah, right.
No, I'm sure. Yeah, you just got caught this time.
Exactly.
Because someone
Exactly.
actually got shot.
Yeah, he's fronting.
If he wouldn't have got shot,
Well, he got recorded. That's what you know.
they're always recording. Is this when nothing bad happened?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If he would have got shot, they
Yeah,
wouldn't have recorded
you
it.
can do the crime, just
Yeah.
don't get caught.
He would have been like, I accidentally dropped my gun and it went off and it hit me in the shoulder. Blah blah.
Look, they
blah.
should both be fired. No.
Yeah. Well,
They are.
I don't. Yeah. Well, definitely the one that shot him.
Oh, once you go.
And he had to pay for that
Nobody
windshield.
gives a fuck. And now it is time we said, fuck your mother.